In the Rococo review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 on my FBS account for months. And zounds, it's turned my trades to triumphs with plus 52.79% gains with the panache of a parodic prizefighter. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that wins rounds without breaking a sweat, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 Wizard of Wins. The zip folder for the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the ex4 file, a set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 to XAUUSD's H1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 parades its plus 52.79%. Absolute gain escapade on FBS, ballooning $1,000 deposits into $1,528.25 balance with $528.25 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.40% chuckles, monthly 37.76% guffaws, equity curve of bemused descent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 90%, meaning 220 trades with longs and shorts balanced, way above the 60% benchmark for multi-pair bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 33.442 pips, $28.25 per pop, while losses are reined in at minimal thanks to the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4's built-in backtest-friendly and no martingale logic that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips, 33,442. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 11.55% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor of 2.55 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in over two back. Commissions? $0 on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold times reasonable for H1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 52% plus yearly, without the heart attacks, this WinnerFX TSR EA 12 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. All right, let's go to the backtesting part, quick. Fired the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 on MT4 with ticks from September 25 data, and, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $1,556.04. Gross profits $633.11, edging out losses of negative $477.07 for that clean edge. 504 trades total. Win rate high overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown, low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting. WinnerFX TSR EA v12 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.